Okay, the chameleon powder just sets this off. Hello friends, welcome to Thursday's video. So this is going to be sort of a two-part video, but don't worry, you do get demolding satisfaction at the end of this video. The second part will be next week, either Tuesday or Thursday, I'm not sure quite yet. But this is a flower mold, and I believe that it is meant for fondants, for cake decorating, or maybe even chocolate work. I'm not sure. Just know that if you use a mold, a silicone mold for resin, you can never use it for food again. I don't care what anybody says. Just don't do it. You don't want to poison yourself. Trust me. Ask me how I know. No, I don't really know. But I'm just saying, don't do it, okay? Just take it from Megan. Just don't do it, okay? So, for the two-part video, I'm going to be pouring this mold, and I'm going to be using some chameleon powders from Let's Resin. I think this is just the... Yeah, it doesn't really say. It doesn't say, like, which version it is. But this, I'm going to be using the blue chameleon powder, the plum chameleon powder, which is very pretty, and this mint chameleon powder. So those are the three that I'm going to use for this. Obviously, the mint is going to be for the stem and some of the leaves. And then I'm going to do like plum tips with blue in the middle. I think that's how I'm going to do this one. So, with all that being said, we don't need a huge long intro for this. I'm going to fill it up with black resin once it's done, and then we will see it for the demolding. So, stick around, stay tuned, hopefully you enjoy this video, and let's get started. Alright friends, let's see how this turned out. There's going to be some cleanup that I definitely have to do here. Although, for what I'm going to use it for, I actually don't think that I really even need to bother with a lot of cleanup. So once I put it in what I'm planning to put it in, there will be a layer of black resin beneath it that should actually cover up this extra resin. But anyway, these colors are real pretty. The, wow. I just looked at my monitor since demolding it. The colors are so different on the monitor. On the monitor, this is totally green. In real life, it's like a brownish green. That's so crazy. And on the monitor, this part is blue, but in real life, it's very vibrant purple. And these ends are pink in real life, but on the monitor, they look like a sky blue. That is crazy how that works. That is so funny. I wonder if there's an angle. No, it doesn't really show what I'm seeing in real life. That's so funny. Oh my gosh. Anyway, stay tuned because next week I will have the video. I'm planning to pour a second one, as I mentioned in my intro. Yes, I guess that's what it was. I'm planning to pour a second one. I'm probably going to use different colors. Now that I've seen how the chameleon powders look on this one, I think it's gorgeous. It's definitely gorgeous. And I gotta say, I'm just double checking before I say it. You guys, there's not a bubble in sight. Not near a bubble in sight. All of these little markings are part of the mold. Oh my god, that's so pretty. You can see where, like I said, I might need to do some cleanup. But yeah, so, bit of a simple one today. By the way, I believe that this is a baker's mold. I don't think this is technically meant for resin, but you can use silicone molds that are meant for baking for resin. Just be aware, once you use resin in it, you cannot use it for baking. Please, for the love of God, do not poison yourself or your loved ones. Maybe a coworker you don't like. Don't do that either. Yeah, anyway, that's today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please let me know by hitting the thumbs up button. Really helps out my channel, helps me to grow. Also, if you are new, stick around by clicking the red subscribe button and ringing the bell for notifications. Thank you guys so very much for watching, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Take care.